Hi friends. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful small wardrobe designs and their latest price and what are the points to remember before purchasing these wardrobes. The small wardrobe designs are ideal for the compact living space like small apartments or the small bedrooms, which offers a blend of functionality, aesthetic and efficiency. So friends, it has some beautiful advantages like space optimizations. They utilize every inch effectively, including the vertical space, corners, and awkward nooks. So, without overwhelming the room, for instance, floor to ceiling units are those integrated into walls, can also double the storage capacity. Also, they are cost effectiveness. Smaller units are generally more affordable to produce and install, also allowing for the custom features like modular shelving without a high price. So this makes them a smart investment for budget conscious. So friend, it has some aesthetic appeal and like a light colors, mirror doors or frosted glass create a sense of openness, so making the room feel larger and brighter. A compact designs promotes curated collections of essentials, so reducing the clutter and decisions. Also, it is leading to easier outfit planning and more peaceful dressing route. And one of the biggest advantages of small wardrobes is ease of maintenance. So, with fewer components, less components, they are simple to clean and dust. And designs like handle-free or laminated finish resistance to wear in humid climates. So friends, now we're going to discuss about the price. So friends, actually the price totally depends upon the brands and the size. So for smaller size, it will cost you 10,000 rupees starting from, and for the medium size, it will cost 23,000. If you want more big size, it will cost more than the 30,000 rupees. So friends, actually the price totally depends upon the quality of materials, the brands and the size. But before buying a wardrobe designs, you should require some careful planning, so to ensure it fits your space, needs and lifestyle. So some important points to remember is the measure your space precisely. So account for the dimensions like width, height, depth and the clearance for the doors, drawers. So ensure it doesn't block light, windows or pathways. And always check the access of storage needs, so inventory or clothes, and include features like adjustable shelves, drawers for accessories. And choose the material quality option for the moisture resistance, plywood or engineering wood for the Indian climates. These are the budget friendly options. And match with the style and room aesthetics. So select the color finish that blends with your bedroom decoration or your room decor. Consider the mirrors for multifunctional use. And another point to remember is the budget and the hidden cost. So include delivery, installations and maintenance. So check for the proper price there, how much it will cost. Look for the deals to avoid impulse buys. Calculate cost per wear and check return policies. So friends, always check the reviews and the ratings before buying if you want to buy the ready-made, and check the brand and check that after sales support. So verify response times, repair charges and assemble help. So always buy the reputed brands, and always choose eco-friendly materials and timeless designs, so it properly match with your room decoration. So friends, by focusing on these points, you can purchase a beautiful and modern wardrobe designs. So friends, if you like my videos, then please like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.